All right, so we're gonna do a side lying, lazy rolling variation where we're really just having to move the elbow. So if you're someone that just feels a lot of tightness or especially like in the neck or the lower back, as you're trying to do some lazy rolling, this might be a good option for you. So you're going to make sure you got a pillow or something to support your head. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna put your hand, you're gonna put it just sort of the base of your skull and sort of hold onto the back of your neck. And what you're gonna do is you're just gonna move your arm up and out to the side. And once you start to feel a little pull in your chest or your shoulder there, it's probably you've gone maybe it's a little bit too far. So once you know where that is, you're gonna stop just shy of that, okay? And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna bring your arm sort of down and forward. And you may start to feel a little bit of a pull between your shoulder blades. So from there, again, you're gonna stop just shy of that, and you're gonna move between those 2 points. All the while you're staying really heavy into the ground. Your head is staying heavy in your pillow. Your nose is not following your elbow, it is staying in one spot. And you're breathing nice and slow in and out through your nose, okay? So you're usually just gonna set a timer and you're gonna go for about 3 to 5 minutes. Let me know if you have any questions.